So, good evening. My sheet is already filled with the needed things or stuffs, which is the formula, the examples. Only the missings are to be solved. So, I'll explain briefly what is simple interest. So, simple interest is calculated only on the original principal. The amount stays constant over time. So, in short, simple interest is called a steady growth. So let's move on to the following variables. First, we have F, which stands for the future value or the total amount of money after interest has been added. P is the principal, which is the original amount of money you borrowed or invested. I is the interest or the extra money paid. R is the rate, which is usually expressed as percentage. This is the interest rate. And T is the time, often measured in years. So let's first move on to part one, which is the F. The formula for F is equal to P quantity 1 plus oh, 1 plus RT. For example 1, let us look for the future value. So equals P multiplied by quantity 1 multiplied by quantity 1 plus R multiplied. My keyboard is malfunctioning by T. So we get 11,000 as our future value. Next, for example 2 equal to P, which is 8,000 multiplied by quantity 1 plus R multiplied by T. Okay, is equal to 9,440. Let's move on to P. So P is the principal value. We already have the future, which is 11,000, so we'll look for the principal value. So the formula for P is equal to F over 1 plus RT. So let's use the formula. Equals F over quantity 1 plus R multiplied by P. So we get 10,000. Next, we have equal to the principal or the future, future value over quantity 1 plus R multiplied by T. Oh, sorry. Is equal to over quantity 1 plus R multiplied by P. Oh, there, 8,000. Sorry for the mistake. For part 3, the formula for I is the easiest, which is just I equal to F minus P, or the future value minus the principal value. So for I equal to 11,000 minus the principal value 10,000 is equal to 1,000. Next is 9,440 minus 8,000 is equal to 1,440. For part 4, the formula for R is R equal to, let's put quantity so that we can separate minus 1 and F over P. Quantity F over P minus 1 all over P. But unfortunately, some buttons on my laptop are malfunctioning or not functioning at all when used all together on Excel. I've tried it 100 times already, so instead I'll be using my scientific calculator. So I have my scientific calculator here, so I'll use it. So we have F as 11,000 over 10,000 minus 1 all over time is 2. So we have 0.05, or if we express it to percentage, we have 5%. Next, we have 9,440 over 8,000 minus 1 all over 3. We get 0.06 or 6%. Lastly, for simple interest, before we end my first video, we have the formula T is equal to, this is basically just R, but you swap P and R. So T is equal to quantity F over P minus 1 all over R. And like R, we cannot use my keyboard that much. So instead, we'll use the calculator. So 11,000 over 10,000 minus 1 all over 5%. So that is 2. Oh, sorry. Yeah, 2. And next, we have 9,440 over 8,000 minus 1 all over 6%. And we get 3. So we have completed our table for simple interest. And changing this ones here will also change our future value. As you can see, part 1, part 2, part 3, and part 4, part 5 all have the same value since we use the formula correctly. Currently, it's the 14th of September, which is Sunday, at 12:40 a.m. And also, I had a hard time using Streamlabs and other streaming devices on my laptop and also on my tablet, so I just decided to use Google Meet, which was also a hard time for me since there were some technical problems. That's why I'm making this at 12:40 a.m. at September 14, or of September 14. Thank you for listening.